Okay everyone, this is about the very simple and tiny house. This tiny house has a roof garden or plantery on the roof in this garden anyway. So the user could be plant for the some vegetable or maybe some fruits right there. Anyway, I think it's the creative way to maximize the space for making the roof garden over there in this very simple compact tiny house anyway. And we can look around for the exterior of this tiny house with wood plank um, with a black texture, and we can see for the another corner window on the bedroom area anyway. And we can look around for the another side with several window or small window on the bathroom anyway. And this tiny house has on the wheels, so it could be mobilized and would be moved to another area, so it's very flexible for moving it. This is the interior of this tiny house, so it has several room arrangement, especially for the cabinet arrangement, table and chair, or kitchen table arrangement. Anyway, the kitchen table has one kitchen sink, cooker, and refrigerator space with this tiny refrigerator space anyway. So this is about the small bedside table, and this bed has cabinet on the bottom, and we can see about the small cabinet in front of the bed, and we can see about the large enough window for the daylighting system of this tiny house anyway. And we can see about the cabinet above the kitchen area, so it's just simple and compact cabinet on the wall of above the cabinet area. Okay, this tiny house have not only one bed anyway, so because it has small space right there, so the user could be maybe it could be small bed anyway, but it still need to add for a railing or safety system, or it just for storage anyway. It's just for storage on the both of this bed anyway. So the space on this tiny and compact tiny house could be maximized for effective and efficiency usable anyway. So we can look around for the another inside of this tiny house with enough window daylighting system and door with a transparent panel, so it could make the enough daylighting space right here. And we can look around for the another space. It has enough shelves to make place some goods and some tools right there, so it would be make easy for user to doing the activity of daily anyway. We can look around for the another room. This is about the bathroom. Okay, this is about the bathroom arrangement with the toilet and with the different elevation of this bathroom floor, and the small wastafel with some accessories right there. And I think it's could be add some mirror to dressing or more activity for on this bathroom. And it has shower fixture right there with daylighting system on the window on the both of this wall of this bathroom anyway. So it's all for this bathroom, I mean. Okay everyone, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching for this videos of this episode. I hope it will be a lot of benefit or insight to all of you for looking for the design inspiration of the tiny house, small house, or compact house, as you want, as you need anyway. I hope you could get the great design of your own tiny house, if you are wanna make your or build your own tiny house, or you wanna buy your new tiny house anyway. So you could consider about the room arrangement, material, and the price, especially for the efficiency of the budget anyway. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.